I was an aspiring founder to be 3 years ago. I watched every single YC video on YouTube. One of the key takeaway was do B2B and don't try consumer. YC's latest batch is like over 80% enterprise.
Something like 70 or 80 or I think it might even be as high as 90%. 6% of VC funding went to consumer startups in 2024. The model I always go after is founder first, somebody who's urgently dissatisfied, who is a resource magnet, is a learning animal. Yes, 2% of the CEOs of VC-backed companies are women. It's pretty abysmal. If you are a woman founder, CEO, the odds are already stacked against you. I love investing in consumer because I think it's so hard. It's like the Olympics every day, all female team. Not because I think that's how the world should be, but that's just what the numbers say. Like me and my co-founder, we're both women. We're so dumb for starting a VC firm as two women. We really need a guy in here. The market is not friendly to all female teams. Don't go totally heads down. Show up and be like twice as good all the time. I have like 7 reasons that I think the AI bubble could get popped.